All right, everyone, quick video here on how to reset the service light on a Ford Fiesta. This is a 2016 model. So when you turn the car on, not fully on, you'll see this little wrench. This is just telling you that you need to change your oil. It's just a timer that counts down from a certain mileage. And once you change your oil, which I just did, you want to reset it if you don't want to go to the dealership or whatever. So what you want to do is you want to have the car set to the on position. So you don't want to have your foot on the clutch if you have one, or don't turn the engine on, just turn the car on. And then down at the pedals, excuse the Crocs, you're going to go ahead and press both the brake and the accelerator at the same time. And you're just going to hold it. Now you can see the light turns off over there, but you need to keep holding it down for about 25 to 30 seconds. So I'm just going to keep holding it. And it should give you a notification over here. Sometimes it doesn't actually tell you anything over here, but just keep holding it down for about 25 to 30 seconds. All right, it's been about 30 seconds. Release, and as you can see here, there is no more little wrench. Let's turn the car on just to double check. As you can see, I have no more wrench and the oil interval has been reset. One quick thing, if you're having issues and it's not resetting, what you need to do is you need to get out of the car, lock all the doors, basically have the car completely shut itself down and reset, then get back in the car, unlock the doors, get back in the car and retry the process. So if you're having a hard time, if it's coming back on after you're holding it down for the 30 seconds, you probably just need to have the car fully shut off. So like I said, get out, lock everything, make sure all the doors are shut, and then it should work. So hopefully that all helps you.